Hey, Bobby. Where'd Roman go? Where's Roman? Roman, where'd you go? You in here?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Rizzy, where's Roman? Rizzy, where'd Roman go? Rizzy, find Roman. I don't know where he is. Roman. Rizzy, where'd Roman go? Uh-oh. Roman? We need to find Roman, buddy. Rizzy, where's Roman? You see you? Bubby, I think Mommy's here. I wonder if she can see you.